Panic mode. Averted! We've all been there, that heart-stopping moment when you realize you've deleted an important file. Oh no, you deleted a file. It feels like the end of the world, but don't worry, don't freak out just yet. We've all been there. It's a common mistake, and there's a way out. The good news is, there's hope for recovering those precious files. You just need to know the right steps. The key is to act fast. Think of it like a digital crime scene. The less you touch, the better the chances of recovery. Time is of the essence. First things first, stop saving anything new to your computer or phone. This is crucial. Every time you save, you risk overwriting the deleted data. It's like walking on thin ice. It's like trying to find a lost contact lens on a shag carpet. The more you walk around, the harder it is to find. So, tread carefully. Now take a deep breath. Calm your mind and prepare to follow some simple steps. We're going to walk through this together. Step by step, we'll get your files back. Whether it's a hilarious cat video on your phone or an important work document on your PC, we've got your back. No file is too small or too big. Let's dive into the wonderful world of data recovery. Together, we'll turn this crisis into a success story. Before we get all technical, let's start with the easiest solution first. Remember the recycle bin, or trash, on your computer? It's like a temporary holding cell for deleted files. Open it up and see if your missing file is hanging out in there. If you see it, hooray! Just right-click on the file and select Restore. It'll magically reappear in its original location. But what if it's not there? Don't worry, there are still plenty of options. We're just getting started. Remember those superhero movies where they bring people back from the dead? The heroes swoop in at the last moment, saving the day and bringing hope to everyone. Data recovery software is kind of like that for your files. When you think all hope is lost, these programs can be your digital superheroes. These programs can scan your computer or phone for traces of deleted data and often recover them. It's like having a detective that can find clues hidden deep within your device. It's like magic, but with more ones and zeros. The process involves complex algorithms that sift through the digital remnants to piece your files back together. There are tons of options out there, but some popular ones include Stellar Data Recovery, Easiest Data Recovery Wizard, and Wondershare Recoverit. Each of these has its own unique features and strengths. Most of them work in a similar way. You download and install the software, select the drive you want to scan, and let it work its magic. The user-friendly interfaces make it easy for anyone to use, even if you're not tech-savvy. Once the scan is complete, the software will show you a list of recoverable files. This list can be a lifesaver, especially if you thought those files were gone forever. You can usually even preview them to make sure you found the right ones. This feature helps you verify that the recovered files are indeed the ones you need. Just be careful not to save the recovered files to the same location where you lost them. That could overwrite the data and make it unrecoverable. Always choose a different location to ensure the safety of your recovered files. Smartphone files gone but not forgotten. Losing files on your phone can be extra stressful. Important contacts, precious photos, embarrassing selfies, they're all stored on that little device. But don't worry, there are ways to recover deleted files from your phone too. First, check if your phone has a recently deleted folder. Many Android phones and iPhones have this feature, which acts like a mini recycle bin for your phone. You can usually find it in your Gallery app or file manager. If that doesn't work, dedicated Android and iOS data recovery software can be a lifesaver. These programs work similarly to computer data recovery software, but they're specifically designed to recover data from smartphones. Dr. Phone and Tenorshare Alt Data are two popular options. Back it up! Back it up! Back it up! Okay, I know, talking about backups is about as exciting as watching paint dry. But hear me out for a moment. Trust me, it's the single most important thing you can do to prevent data loss heartache in the future. Imagine losing all your precious photos, important documents, or that project you've been working on for months. Think of it like this. Would you rather spend a few minutes backing up your files, or hours, or even days, trying to recover them after a disaster? The choice is pretty clear, right? I know which one I'd choose. And it's not just about saving time, it's about peace of mind. There are tons of easy ways to back up your data. You don't need to be a tech wizard to do it. Cloud storage services like Google Drive, iCloud, and Dropbox are super convenient. They allow you to access your files from anywhere, anytime. You can also use external hard drives, which are great for large files and offer a physical backup option, or even just email important files to yourself. It's simple but effective. The key is to make it a habit. Set reminders, automate backups, whatever it takes. Consistency is crucial. Your future self will thank you. Trust me, you'll be glad you took these steps when you need them the most. Please subscribe.